Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hissing Galaxy. Today we're going to make zucchini noodles. For ingredients, we will need 3 zucchinis, olive oil, Alfredo sauce, garlic, butter, black pepper powder, Parmesan cheese, and Basil Seasoning. This is optional. I'm going to add broccoli, carrot, and cherry tomatoes. Zucchini is good for heart and eyes, and it's very rich in nutrients. Let's get started! Make the noodles out of zucchini first. I'm going to use these hand spiralizers to make the zucchinis into noodles. You can even use an electric spiralizer or a julian peeler. First, let's cut off the edges of the zucchini. If you like, you can peel off the skin too. We are going to keep the skin. Insert zucchini in the spiralizer and keep twisting it by holding steady. Cut it when it becomes too long. I'm going to cook the noodles in the oven. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
You can also pan fry the zucchini, but once you spiralize it, add some salt. Leave it for 5 minutes in. It will start to release water. Drain the excess water before cooking, otherwise it will become soggy.
Take a large oven tray and place the zucchini in a thin layer. Add a little bit of salt. The oven is now ready. I'm going to keep it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. It's been 15 minutes. Our zucchini noodles are now ready. We have cleaned the vegetables and chopped into small pieces. We have smashed the garlic like this. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. Now in a large pan, add some olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now let's add the smashed garlic. Once it's done, add the vegetables. Salt. Remember, Parmesan cheese already has some salt, so add a little. Cook in a hot flame. Now let's add the baked zucchini noodles. Now let's add our Alfredo sauce. let's add some black pepper. Finally, we'll add some grated Parmesan cheese. And a little bit of seasoning. Now our zucchini noodles is ready! Let's serve it on a plate. Bye friends, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. Bye!